Hello students, today we shall discuss chapter 13 in grammar, that is past tense. In last chapter 12 we have discussed about the present tense. Now, past tense, simple past. We use this tense to talk about things that happened at the definite time in the past. We say or think about the time that the action happened. For example, yesterday, last week, last month, 3 months ago, in 2000. Here some examples are given. I shall read for you. Usha phoned me an hour ago. Phone. This is a word. Adding ed, it is a simple past. The chief minister visited our school last year. Visited. It was very hot yesterday. Was. I passed the driving test 2 months ago. So these are the example, the words in which we have added ed. These are simple past. How to form verbs in past tense? To make the past tense, we usually add ed or d to the verb. Children, you know what is verb? Verb is action word. Example, clean, cleaned, live, lived, cook, cooked, dance, danced. Sometime to change the verb to the past tense, we change the middle vowel sound. Here examples are given. Fall, fell. Begin, began. Drink, drank. Write, wrote. Break, broke. Drive, drove. Sometime past tense is formed by changing the last letter. Bend, bent. Deal, dealt. Build, built. Send, sent. Some verbs do not change at all in its past form. Those are cut, let, hit, put, hurt, set. Some verbs do not follow any rules to change into the past tense. Example, bite, bit, fly, flew, go, went, catch, caught. Now, here in exercise 1, I shall read a poem and underline the verb in their past form. A bird came down the walk by Emily Dickinson. There is a poem written by Emily Dickinson. A bird came down the walk. He did not know I saw. He bit an angel worm in health and ate the fellow raw. And then he drank a dew from the convenient grass and then hopped sidewise to the wall to let the beetle pass. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all abroad. They looked like frightened birds, I thought. He stirred his velvet head. Like one in danger, cautions, I offered him a crumbs. And he rolled his feather and rode him softer home. We often use this tense to tell a story. Now, here in a first line, a bird came. Came is a past form. Second, did, saw. Third line, bit. Fourth line, ate. Fifth line, drank. Then next, hopped, glanced, hurried, looked, thought, stirred, offered, unrolled, and rode. These are the words in this poem which are in their past form. Now, exercise 2, we are going to complete a story of the clever crow using the verb in past tense. Words are given in the bracket. We shall make those words into past tense. It was a hot day. Kit the crow was thirsty. He flew over houses and gardens in search of water. At last he saw a pot of water. There was little water in the pot. Kit tried to drink from the pot but could not do so. Kit thought for a while. He picked up small stones and put them into the pot one by one. Soon the level of the water rose. Kit was able to drink the water. Here, when I read this small paragraph, a story, I just changed the words. Fly became flew, see became saw, think became thought, pick became picked, put was put only. As per rule, this word did not change. Rice became rose. Now I shall explain you past continuous. This tense is used for an action that was in the middle of happening at the particular time in the past. We form this tense with was, were plus verb ing. What are you doing at 4 o'clock? What were you doing at 4 o'clock yesterday? I was watching TV. We are having lunch when the phone rang. The boy fell down while he was running. Your pets were fighting when we arrived at your gate. As in the last three sentences above, the past continuous tense is often used with the simple past tense. Those words are were having, was running, were fighting. It shows that an action was continuing at the time when the new, shorter action happened. The simple past tense is used for the new actions. Now, pair work. This exercise can be done in pair. Take turn to ask the answers and questions. Example: what were you doing at 8 o'clock yesterday morning? I was having breakfast. What were you doing at this time yesterday? Give true answer. At 8 am, I was reading. 6 pm, I was playing. 10 am, I was doing my lesson. 8 pm, I was watching TV. 1 pm, I was having my lunch. 10 pm, I went to sleep. Here you can write different activities. Past perfect. Read the following sentences. When Jim arrived at the stop, the bus had left. Had left is a past perfect. Mary had gone out for a quick snack when the boss called. We have saved the file before the computer crashed. The underlined expressions are example of the past perfect tense. From the given example, we can understand that it refers to a time earlier than the present time. It refers to the sequence of events that had happened. The sequence of event is made clear by the past perfect tense. We always use the past participle form of verb after had. Exercise 3. Fill in the blank with the past perfect form of verb given in the bracket. Here I shall read with the answer. First, we dash 2 miles after waking up. Run will become had run. If he dash up later, he would have missed the flight. Wake will become had woken. I dashed to the venue before the ceremony took place. Come, word is given come in the bracket will become had come. When we reached the station, the train dash leave had left. The bun dash baked to perfection when I had it last. Be will become had been. I never knew mother dash baking powder to make pancakes. Use will become has used. Had used. I dash before it started to rain. Leave will become had left. Gautam dash for some water. Ask had asked. They dash to ask for more funds, but I did not complain. Call will become had called. I dashed to have lunch when the phone rang. Sit, it will become had sat. Before anybody could think, Adil dashed the race. Win will become had won. Children, please revise this exercise and try to do on your own. Thank you.